But when you say, you know what, man, I am going to do that extra hours because that extra hours only going to lead me to getting quicker to my goal. See, when I know in my mind, I'm going to be here 6 months. I'm going to be here 1 year. I'm going to be here 2 years. I'm going to use this money right here. And every time I get money, it's going to be funneling into my business plan. It's going to be funneling into my brand. As I'm measuring my brand, I'm measuring it. Oh, I'm seeing, okay, it's going to take me 3 more months and I'm going to be up off this bad boy. How about you get you a service, a product, let that product generate income for you, and then you use that money as your funding, or the job is your funding.
What up, Jay Simmons right here. Listen, I want to amplify on what my brother Ben X is talking about in this video. First of all, shout out to Ben X, wise advice he could have gave. But, a lot of you guys look for a lot of handouts. You guys look for free stuff, but you guys don't want to put the work in, or let alone invest. And then you wonder why you're not getting nothing out of it. The purpose of you investing is so you can get something out of it. And a lot of you guys come up with the excuse of, well, I don't have the income. You don't have to have a lot of money to invest. If you have a regular job, then that's perfect. Whatever little bit of money you have extra left over after you took care of all the things you need to take care of, with your bills and all that, you take that money and you invest it into what you believe in. Not everybody's going to see your vision. Not everybody's going to see your life. So you got to be willing to accept that and basically continue to invest in that. And in that video, he's specifying a service or a product. You can't get nowhere in the music industry thinking that your music is going to be your main seller or your main product, because that's not going to be the case. You have to have a product. Like, me, I have my brand. I have Full Throttle Mode. I'm coming out with another brand, which is another branding shirt of You See It. You gotta be able to have a product. I also have Spotify playlist packaging and other things where I can help other artists. I have multiple services and coming out with multiple products, aside from the music. Yes, my music is being streamed on the regular. However, my music is not my main source of income. So this is what my brother Ben X is talking about. You guys gotta be able to want to invest. You guys gotta be able to have a service or product for people to want to be able to get things from you, but you also mainly got to make it believable. And I don't mean believable and basically telling lies. You gotta show these people why you want them to come to you, and why you want them to wear your merchandise. It's all about setting a trend, and most of the people try to set trends for clout. But if you're trying to be a business owner, there is no such thing as clout. You're trying to establish a foundation for you and your family, if you have one, so that you guys can be living comfortably and financially free. Problem with our community is we don't have enough black entrepreneurs. We don't have enough black people who want to invest into their own selves, because why? They're looking for approval from somebody else. And looking for approval from somebody else gets us nowhere. And I was guilty of that when I first started the music industry. Very guilty of that. But then I started realizing that how successful do I really want to be in this music industry? And this is just for anything you're going for. It doesn't necessarily even have to be music. You can't be looking for approval from somebody else. And that's one thing we need to stop as just me as a black person. It's the reason these companies are successful. It's the reason a lot of these big name companies are still here. One of them is not looking for approval from somebody else. So you got to be willing to work by yourself. You got to be willing to want to invest into your brand, your craft, whatever it is. You have to believe in it. So that being said, if you guys need help with that, I can definitely help with that. OfficialJSimmons.com. I have multiple services on there to where I can help you as an artist expand your brand and help you grow. I also have new services coming soon. I will be announcing that relatively soon as well on all my social media. And I encourage you guys to sign up to my mailing list as I throw deals in there to help you save even more money. I'm coming out with my new brand, my new shirt. You see it. It was an idea that I thought about literally. I was asleep. 3 o'clock in the morning, I woke up and I got busy and I got to work on it, and it ended up being, exactly what I imagined. So I got that merchandise, that shirt coming soon. If you're looking for one of these shirts are on my website in the Jay Simmons shop. You can go over there, you can purchase you one. You can get one with or without your name on it, totally up to your discretion. But I definitely encourage you guys to, if you need help, to definitely go to my website, officialjsimmons.com, sign up to my mailing list. You'll receive a welcoming email, and then you'll receive other emails as well. You know what I'm saying? So you just got to stay focused. You got to invest into your craft. A job is definitely an okay thing to have, for the simple fact that most people don't have jobs, especially during this whole pandemic. And this is the time that you need to buckle down, because this pandemic has a lot of people trapped in their house. So if you're working still and you looking to make your own money, it's time to invest, you know, and stop sleeping on your dreams and stop sleeping on whatever you got planned out for yourself, because it's just only going to stay up here. But if you can take it from here and then bring it to actual life, then we got something. You know what I'm saying? officialjsimmons.com. You know what it is. You see it.